huge bombshell from the IMF. Brace yourselves, because China is about to become the superstar of the global economy. The International Monetary Fund IMF just announced that China is gonna be the biggest growth driver in the global economy for the next 5 years, contributing double what the US does. According to the IMF's World Economic Outlook, China's slice of global GDP expansion will be at a massive 22.6%, with India coming in at 12.9% and the US at 11.3%. The top 20 countries will contribute 3/4 of global growth, with over 50% coming from just 4 countries: China, India, the US, and Indonesia. The IMF predicts that Brazil, Russia, India, and China will outpace the Group of 7 nations in terms of growth contributions. However, the IMF also warns of the downside risks to the global economy. The recent turmoil in the banking sector and sticky inflation have increased recession risks. March brought the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature, along with trouble at Silvergate and Credit Suisse, among others. The IMF notes that recession concerns have gained prominence while worries about stubbornly high inflation persist. Overall, the IMF predicts global growth to expand by around 3% over the next 5 years in a higher interest rate environment, the weakest outlook in over 30 years. So, will China's economic prowess save the day, or are we in for a bumpy ride? Only time will tell. Stay informed, traders, and keep an eye on the global economy and the potential risks and challenges ahead. What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.